how to contact Panera Bread customer care online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to reach Panera Bread's customer support? Then you're in the right place. Let's get started. You need to open up your browser, go to panerabread.com, then from the home page, scroll down to the bottom and you can see guest care option. Just tap on it. This will take you to customer support page. Now you can see various FAQs here. You can even ask any question by typing in this box. But if you can't find your answers this way, then you can just scroll down to the bottom and you can see their email option. So you can just tap on this and send them an email, or you can even contact them via the phone number given right here for immediate assistance. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.